Welcome to the channel here at Lucky Loon Outdoors. I'm John, and I figured since we're doing all this cutting and trimming and everything, and I need to sharpen one of my saws, this little guy, I'd show you how to use the Stihl 2-in-1 sharpener. Now, I have an older video on my channel on how to use it, and I just kind of talked about it, didn't actually show you. That was for my saw. It's in my tractor over there. That's the MS 271. This is its little brother. So I'll just show you. It's real simple. Let's take a closer look here with the camera. Well, I guess Coffee's got to make sure we're doing things right and safe here on the farm. Our yard warden. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, so here's our sharpener. You can see the arrow there, and this here is an indication of what the saw needs to look like for sharpening. So this side tells you, make it look like it does here, and you're going to be pushing in that direction across the bar to do that side of teeth. And then when you go to the other teeth, you flip it over, and it shows you again, hey, make it look like it does here, and push in the direction of the arrow to do the other side. So, I mean, that's pretty straightforward. So let's start here. The easiest way to do it is, if you see this green, the green link there, that's going to be your start and stop point. So you're going to start sharpening at the first tooth that's in the direction you're sharpening. You're going to rotate that thing all the way around, keep sharpening until you get back to it again. So quite simply here, so that's that tooth, we're going this way, so that means that this is my first one right here. I'm going to set that file in there. I'm actually going to push the chain forward a little bit so I have more room. Alright, so this is the tooth we're going to start on because my green link's there, and this is the first one. So quite simply, you put it in there, you can see that this first guy is right in the tooth, and this is going to file down everything that needs to be filed on the saw at one time. So we know it's going the correct direction. We want to go that way. We're following what it says here. All you do is line it up with the bar, meaning this is in line with the bar. It even has guides on there for you, and all you gotta do is just push through it. I'm going to go 4 times because I know what kind of condition this chain's in. So simply line her up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm ready to go to the next tooth. I'm just going to push the saw forward like that, keep it down in the tooth there, and I'm going to come back to the next tooth, which is there, and we're going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do that all the way around the chain, and then when it's time for the other side, simply flip it over, and we'll be going in this direction with the other teeth. Same exact thing, just opposite way. And that's all there is to it. And for this pile here, which is about 24 feet wide, about 8 feet tall, and it's about 20 feet deep, I sharpened my saw, my bigger saw, the one over there. I sharpened it once with the same sharpener. So it definitely works. Alright, so assuming we sharpened it correctly when we go to cut, the saw shouldn't be going to one side or going to the other. It should cut straight and true depending on how you're pushing the saw. So let's give her a test. Little guy. Well, it works. It's not as powerful as my other saw, but it certainly is a lot lighter. So, yeah, take a look at that 2-in-1 sharpener. Any questions? Put it in the comments down below. I'll take a look at it, and I read all the comments. And if I have time, I'll respond to you and give you a hand. So, yeah, have fun. Stay safe out there.